Okay students, today I am solving tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta equal to 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. We have to prove this. Okay, please ignore the background sounds. Now let us first take the RHS, that is tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta. We have to write tan and cot in terms of sin and cos. So I have written sin theta, tan theta as sin theta by cos theta upon 1 minus cos theta by sin theta plus cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta and 1 minus tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta. Okay, now next. Is equals to, let us solve the denominator. I am writing the numerator as it is. Now it is 1 minus cos theta by sin theta, taking the LCM. 1 minus 1 by a by b can be written as b minus a by b. So sin theta minus cos theta upon sin theta plus the second term also same, cos theta upon sin theta the whole divided by 1 minus cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta. Hope you understood till here. Next, we know that denominator of the denominator comes to the numerator. So sin theta upon cos theta, so we have to cross multiply. So this will come to the numerator, sin theta, and this will remain there itself, sin theta minus cos theta. Similarly for the second, cos theta upon sin theta into, which will come here, this one, cos theta upon cos theta minus sin theta. Now look at these two terms. Here sin theta minus cos theta is there, and here cos theta minus sin theta is there. If we take it as sin theta minus cos theta by taking the negative sign, so directly I am taking 1 upon sin theta minus cos theta as common from these two both terms. So sin theta into sin theta will be sin square theta. What remains if I take common this? Cos theta. Now here as it is cos theta minus sin theta, as I told, we have to take it as negative. Sin theta minus cos theta is taken as common, so minus of cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta upon sin theta. Okay, now again solving the bracket, this remaining as it, sin theta minus cos theta. Now taking the LCM, cos theta into sin theta. So sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta, it will become sin cube theta minus cos theta into cos square theta will become cos cube theta. Now it is in the term of a cube minus b cube, isn't it? So what is a cube minus b cube? A cube minus b cube is nothing but a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. Okay, it is a cube minus b cube is equals to a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. Here a is sin theta and b is cos theta. Let us write it. Similarly, 1 upon sin theta minus cos theta, big process, a minus b. So it is sin theta minus cos theta in the bracket, a square sin square theta plus cos square theta plus into sin theta into cos theta, the whole divided by cos theta into sin theta. Okay, now you can see it is a bracket. This sin theta minus cos theta and this sin theta minus cos theta will get cancelled. Yes or no? Now what is left? Sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin theta into cos theta upon cos theta into sin theta. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Yes. From the identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So let us write this. It is sin theta into cos theta upon sin theta into cos theta. Can be cos theta into sin theta, can be sin theta into cos theta. One plus, because cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Therefore 1 plus sin theta into cos theta upon sin theta into cos theta. It can be written as 1 upon sin theta into cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta upon sin theta into cos theta. Okay, again this will get cancelled, remains 1. 1 by sin theta is cosec theta, 1 by cos theta is sec theta. So it is sec theta into cosec theta plus 1, which is equals to your LH. Yes. Hence proved.